Hello everyone, here I am going to explain how to find out rank correlation. So here I took one example in problem 1. See, the ranks of some 16 students in mathematics and physics are follows 1, 1, 2, 0, like this way 16 ranks are given. That means in the first data, this one value is the rank of the student in mathematics and this second value is the rank of the student in physics. Similarly, for this one, first value is the rank of the second student in mathematics, second one 10 is the rank of the student in physics. So this way, for the 16 student, rank of mathematics and physics are given. You need to calculate rank correlation coefficient of this 16 student group in mathematics and physics. So these are the data xi, yi. Xi gives the rank in mathematics, yi gives rank in physics. Now here see this formula xi, yi. If xi is the rank in one characteristic, yi is the rank in other characteristic, then Spearman rank correlation coefficient between the ranks in xi and yi's is capital R is equal to in this form, where n is the number of individuals and d is the difference between the rank. So if you use this formula, you will get, here we have in table form x minus y, the values are 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 10 minus 8, like this way, d square, these are the values. Now put this value in R, so here you will get capital R is equal to 0.8. Now there is a note in Spearman rank correlation. Number 1 is rank correlation coefficient always lies between minus 1 and 1. Number 2, if R is equal to 1, then the two characteristics ranked equal, and if R is equal to minus 1, then they are ranked just opposite. Now in the next thing is tied rank. What is tied rank? That tied rank means suppose two individual got same rank. Then how to find out rank correlation coefficient. So here also I am going to explain taking a problem. Here a problem is given. Here total salesmen, 10 salesmen are there and their test scores and sales are given here. So test score for salesman 1 is 50, salesman 2 is 70, like this, and sales for salesman 1 is 25, salesman 2 is 60, like this. Now you can see here that salesman 1, salesman 6, salesman 8 have same test score 50. Similarly, you can see salesman 4, salesman 9, salesman 10 have same test score 60. So these are called tied rank. So how to find out the rank correlation coefficient for tied rank of test score and sales? So here the explanation is, first we need to find out the tied rank value. That means for salesman 4, 9 and 10 have same test score 60. So they share same rank. So how to find out the rank? Now here you can see that the values of test score are 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So if the highest test score is 90, then this is the ranked one. After that 80, this is the rank 2. After that 70, this is the rank 3. After that 60, this is your rank 4. Now 60 value is given 3 times. So this will be 4, this will be 5, this will be 6. Actually they are same. So for this 3 value you need to calculate the average one. That's why we have written down here that 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 3, that will be 5. That means salesman 4 salesman 9, salesman 10 will get the same rank 5 because they are tied. Similarly, go to the value 1, 3, 7, 6 and 8. They have test score 50. Now 4, 5, 6 up to this rank we have counted up to 60. Now for 50 value we have started from here. Suppose this one is 7, rank 7, rank 8, rank 9, rank 10. So there are 450 value. They are in the position 7, 8, 9, 10. They are tied. So that will be added and divided by total 4 value numbers are there. So 4, that is the value 8.5. That means these salesmen 1, 3, 6 and 8 shares same rank, that is 8.5. Similarly, same rule applies for the sales. Here also you need to find out first the highest value, that is your 55. This is your rank 1. After that 60, this is your rank 1. After that 55, this is your rank 2, like this way. In here also you can see 3, 5, 9 have same sales 45. 3, 45, 5, 45, 9, 45. And so they will share the rank. 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Why 4, 5, 6? Because 60 is first rank, 55 second rank, 50 third rank, after that 45. So 4, 5, 6. Like this way the ranks are calculated. Now if you write down in the table form, so here the test score are first 50 value. So for 50, first salesman 1 salesman 1, the rank is 8.5, so 8.5. salesman 2, 70, so the rank is 3. salesman 3, rank is 8.5, so 8.5. salesman 4, rank is 5, so 5. This way we have written down the rank, test score rank and sale rank. Now find out their difference, and their difference is square. And the difference is square. Now here is the tied rank formula. The tied rank formula says that R dash rank correlation coefficient R dash is equal to this one, where D is the differences of ranks, N is the number of individual, and here is one another component is T. T means T denotes the number of individual involved in a tie. So in the first test score value, you can see here how many numbers are involved in a tie. That 3 numbers are involved in a tie. That means there are 3 50s. Here also there are 3 60s. Here also there are 4 50s. Here also there are 3 45 values. Here also there are 2 30 values. So in this case T will be 3. In this case T will be 4. So like this way we have calculated this component. T is equal to 3, T is equal to 4, T is equal to 3, T is equal to 2. You can see from this table also. You can see that 8.5 value is there 4 times. So T will be 4. Now 5 value is 3 times. So T will be 3. For the rank Y, 5 value is 3 times. So 3, and 7.5 value is 2 times. So 2. No other values are tied, means repeated. So the last component, this value is calculated over here 9.5. Now put the value in R dash. Here you will get 0.7. So this is how we will calculate tied rank. Hope you will understand. Thank you.